Okay, Lianne, this time you're going to match, okay? Since we don't have enough time, you just have to match them, do not color them anymore. Okay? So I will give you a pen, Lianne. Can you match, please?
Oh, pen sabi ko pa. It looks like a...
Yeah, you can use your pen now. Lianne, you can use your mouse now.
Okay. This one is like a cube like this.
Wow, very good.
And this one like matches like this.
Oh, wow. That's nice.
And this matches this.
Oh, very good.
And cone matches this.
Yay!
Like
Great
an
job.
ice cream.
Yes, like an ice cream. Very good, Lian. You did well here. So I'm going to give you a pink star like you've always wanted. Thank you. Great job, Lian. Give me 5. Come on. High five.